The Mytee Hot Turbo, adding heat to your cold water extractor. To set up the inline heater, connect the male QD of the Mytee Hot Turbo to the female QD on your extractor. Next, connect the male QD of the solution hose assembly to the female QD on the Mytee Hot Turbo. Now, turn your pump to the on position. Engage the trigger on your wand to dispense solution throughout the Mytee Hot Turbo until the water flow is sufficient. Turn the Mytee Hot Turbo switches to the on position. Each switch pulls approximately 5 amps and controls 600 watts of the heater with a maximum temperature of 210 degrees. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the solution in the line to reach maximum heat. To maintain temperature, we recommend that every wet pass should be followed up by 2 dry passes. Get instant heat anywhere you go with the Mytee Hot Turbo.